Goa as of today, because we can see number of cases of theft, number of cases of murders, number of cases of molestation and rape that is happening, and it's on a rampant rise. Now, when we have people coming into Goa and taking up Goa as their residence here, there is no check that is being done. Even the tourists that are coming into Goa, we do not know for what they are coming in and for what reason, and if there is any case on them. So being a tourist destination where thousands of crowd come in during season time and off season time, it is mandatory for us to have a police check done. And seeing CM saying that 10,000 will be fined to the tenants if police verification is not done, because this is, as much as he says, will it be implemented is my question. People residing into Goa also should make sure that whoever you're giving the rentals to, whether it is a laborer, whether it is someone from a high class society, or someone just renting out an apartment or a studio space, or even a workspace, we have to know what kind of work, what kind of people are moving into Goa.
Police yeta gara kode yani check kota, but that is not enough. कित्याक बेश्टे घरा कडेन येयले आनी वेरिफिकेशन मागले तितले सगळे स्टोरी कम ना कोण पर्सन एक्चुअली फेक और जेन्युइन ते कित्याक some people may not even register कित्याक थोडी टेनंटाक दिता रेंटा दिता आनी ओगी रावता, they are not even aware की तेणी वचोन की पुलीस वेरिफिकेशन करपाक जाय म्हणून. मागीर robbers can come from anywhere. Police should actually have their forces, or patrolling should be kept done at the railway stations, at even airports. Someone can just come chor beste hai train in beste, they can disguise in disguise basun yopak shakta, they can suit boot maran basun yopak jata in airplanes in disguise. So I think patrolling is very important at every various stations, like railway stations, at the airport, and various other bus stations also, because many tenants come through bus also.
Not only theft cases, even crime has increased. आणि हेका लागून आमी म्हणटात कोण येता कोण वता तांचेर लक्ष आसपाकूच जाय, तांचे एक रेकॉर्ड मेंटेन करपा जाय. There should be monitoring of how many people are coming to the state and how many people are staying, or they are a floating population. So once that is done, and I congratulate the government for taking this decision that 10,000 fine will be paid, have to be paid for those who don't give tenant verification. I congratulate the government on this.